Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about basically, how to promote adult offers with Facebook ads. Okay. Facebook ads is the most targeted platform you could possibly do out there. And you can absolutely promote offers like this, offers like this, offers like this, like crazy. Okay. And it works insanely well. Okay. This stuff can have the power to make you a lot of money. Let's just put it that way. Okay, and build a full-time business and a huge email list and everything that you want. Okay, right now I'm 11 days into the month. That's $25,000 right there. 11 days into the month again, that's $41,000 right there. That's all free traffic. This is paid traffic at about 3 to 4x ROI. Okay, with adult traffic, just adult traffic. Okay. Max Bounty has adult offers as well, but I'm not doing adult offers there. I'm just doing mainly sweepstake offers, some pay per sale offers, biz op offers, and survey offers. Okay. Now, I will show you some adult offers on here in a minute, but we're going to use Facebook. And I'm not going to dive into the build your campaign because everyone knows how to do that, but I will give you tips about Facebook ads here about how to do it. Okay, so right off the bat, it's actually kind of good. It's just walking you through here. Okay, so I don't even run Facebook ads anymore. Okay, I used to in the past. Nowadays, I literally have like no time for anything other than the big income stuff, and I'm partnered with business partners on some very powerful stuff that takes up most of my time. Other than I want to grow this personal brand really big because networking with you guys is super powerful. Okay, but here we go. Right off the bat, you don't want to do brand awareness that they say here. You want to do conversions, okay? And I'll show you the funnel in a second. You want to do conversions on Facebook because you can optimize just for that conversion, and you don't want to optimize for clicks because those are people that are just curiosity clicks, just people similar to the people that click to your landing page. You don't want to ever do that ever. What you want to do is optimize for conversions and then eventually make a lookalike audience for those conversions. You want to have about 300 to 500 different conversions to have happened, okay, to be able to make a good lookalike audience, okay? And you want to do the 1% lookalike audience. But anyway, you can see other tutorials how to do that. That's not important. The strategy here is powerful, and adult offers, they make money, okay? And it's not just that. It's like if you build an email list, you could sell anything, okay? You could do sweepstakes. You can promote ClickBank offers, Digistore offers. Doesn't matter the offer, guys. You can make your own offers. At the end of the day, when you have attention, you got money. And email list is one of the best traffic sources in the world. But it comes down to how hot is the traffic you've acquired, okay? And they raise their hand and they're interested in whatever you have to offer, okay? And you'll see how to do this in just a second, okay? Now, optimize for conversions. You make your campaign first. So you make one campaign with the ads inside of it. You're all ready. Then you basically duplicate. Then inside of that campaign, you're going to make a bunch of other ads. You're going to basically duplicate the ads you have currently inside that campaign ad set. Okay, it's super easy. You're super smart. You totally understand this. Okay. Next, all you got to do is you basically duplicate your ad like 5 times. I don't recommend all the way up to 10. Okay, then you have 10 different split testing images. Then you go in, you edit each image. And I do recommend image ads. If you want to do video ads, you can. I recommend if you're going to do a video ad, basically make it inside the editor of Facebook, okay, because they'll approve it way easier. And then keep your images super simple and compliant, okay? The thing about Facebook ads, it doesn't come down to the image. The image can influence stuff decently. You just want to have happy, smiling people and stuff Facebook wants, which is just happy, smiling people, okay? The ad doesn't sell as much as the offer sells, okay? And at the end of the day, what really gets them to click is you're targeting the exact person. You're giving them something for free in exchange for their email, and their funnel begins there. Your click-through rate comes down to actually usually the text of what's being said. The image just grabs attention. They're going to see it no matter what, okay? Humans are smart. Humans have reached a high level of adaptation up to this point in evolution. So we're totally able to pick up on what's being shown to us in an instant and know if we want it. And you're able to target that down to the finite, exact people interested in what you're offering, okay? To keep it somewhat simple. Now, here's the thing, guys. You duplicate 5 times. You have different images. You're split testing. Super happy, joyful, bright, good congruent images, okay? Your text is the same across the board on each ad. You're basically saying, you're gonna get this free thing, okay? Get this free thing, etc., okay? and you're giving something free in exchange for their emails in your funnel, okay? And what's happening, how you're able to do adult, is in the back end, you've got all these adult offers. I'll show you the funnel in a second. And then after you have all your images, now that's in place, you duplicate your ad set about 5 times. You could do a little bit more than that to see, and then they're duplicated. All you want to do now is just run it for a few days. You're going to see which ad sets and ads doing the best. You can pause whichever ones are not doing best. And then you're going to grow that lookalike audience for conversions, okay? And then you make a new lookalike campaign with your best ads, 2 ads, not just one. You could just do your 2 best ads, and then exactly just the lookalike audience of the people. And now you can grow, build the email list. You're literally getting emails for an exact cost per email. That could equate to maybe $3 per email, maybe $2 per email, maybe less. And it gets pretty crazy, okay? And here's the thing, you're going to get a lot of emails because it's free, okay? So like I said, you're going to get easily approved. You're going to not have a hard time getting approved, okay? Facebook is strict no matter what. Like, don't ban an account for no reason, okay? So if you need to work with an agency to do this, to have them run ads for you and worry about that side of the thing, you can go have an agency do that for you. I don't have the time to run Facebook ads for people. I help people set up their campaigns, whole entire done for you process, and then they literally get educated super easily on how to run the ads. It's not that hard, and you can absolutely do it. It's crazy, crazy powerful to be able to be skillful in your own way, but acquiring that knowledge is the first step. Okay, here we are. This is Facebook, guys. Okay, so Facebook ads running to the opt-in page. Right here, all you're going to have is the headline. Get this for free. So basically, you could give away a compilation of YouTube videos that are very good inside like the dating niche, since this is dating offer related. But look at this. If you actually look into it deep and look at some of the biggest adult niche and relationship niche campaigns ever, they literally appeal to how to talk to a girl, what to say to a girl, how to turn on a girl instantly in 2 seconds, okay, things like that. So you're going to give away info products in exchange for their emails, and that works across the board, okay? You could even give bonuses of how to lose weight fast and how to make money, or some way to make money. I don't know if you want to do it real estate related or anything like that. I just recommend stick with the niche, and that's it, okay? If you want to branch out, give the bonuses on the inside. Don't tell them on the front end that you're going to give them all those bonuses of those things. Okay. Over delivering is powerful. And this funnel work. Okay, here we are. So basically, you want to look at all the offers you have at your disposal. Now, if you look here, the highest DPC offers are right there. You can go on any network, guys, and have tons of offers to promote. And the thing is, top converting offers work across the board. Okay, most affiliate marketers ain't going to tell you that, but I'm telling you right now, that comes from advanced experience to know psychology and humans and people. People will convert on offers just across the board, man. If they're high converting offers. If they're sucky offers, they won't convert that well. Okay, so these are really high converting offers. I recommend these, and I recommend these up here. Okay, this can absolutely work with this strategy 100%, no problem. Now, here's the thing. We're over on Max Bounty. Let's go over to search and literally search by EPC again. Okay, just to explain, like, you can promote all these right here and absolutely crush it. This one right here looks like a male enhancement offer. This is a dating offer right there, freaking match seniors, all this stuff, okay? It can work. I wouldn't go as niche as the seniors one because some people who opt in your list won't be seniors. But on the front end of your whole entire funnel, you can target on Facebook exact people you're looking for. So you could just target males 20 to 60, or you could just target males 50 to 60. Like, it's your choice, okay? Now, easily converting offers is definitely sweepstakes, but in general, once again, across the board, these are top converting offers based off their EPCs. But these are not. These are new. Okay, I didn't look. I wasn't very observant there. These ones are the top ones. Okay, so there you go. Those other ones are new offers. New offer, they can work and stuff like this, but in general, the highest DPC offers. Okay, so these are all the highest DPC offers right here. Magnum, XT, Keto Advanced, Bitcoin. Use common sense here. I wouldn't promote the Bitcoin ones as much. Plus, some of these are for different countries. So definitely, here's how I do it, guys. I'll go through the list, okay, of all the offers for whatever campaign I'm doing. And if I'm doing a campaign like this, that I want a lot of you guys to do, because this will make you a lot of money, okay? Because it just works. I mean, when I first got started, I was failing a lot, and I would do direct linking campaigns and stuff like this, which can still work. It comes down to how you do stuff. You gotta look at all the angles. But I would do opt-in funnels like this when I started seeing success, and I would link directly to the offer, pre-sell them, then link to an offer right there. I'd have way more offers in the back end. Okay, I'd build an email list. I'd have a landing page in between each offer, and I'd promote the offers. My email sequence would go on forever. Inside of my free deliverable, okay, the thing that I gave them for free, I sent them to another landing page with all the free stuff there, but I also linked like an offer wall of a ton of offers. I basically had a ton of offers in place for them. Okay, this works very well. Okay, it's not hard. You're totally capable. You're very smart, guys. Like literally, you can do this. Now, if you want to just stick to one category, we can absolutely do that. So here we are in dating niche. Apply the search. Okay, now you've got literally a ton of offers right here you can work with. For dating niche. And guys, Max Bounty has everything. If you just use Max Bounty, you can make big money, just like you've seen that I'm doing right now. Okay. Now, this offer, boom, I'm crushing it with this offer. I'm going to tell you right now, this offer is freaking crazy right now at the moment. That's what I'm promoting. Okay. Smart link a little bit, and anyone can promote the smart link if you know what you're doing. And I have a whole video about how to do that. You can do pop under traffic, everything like that. Free traffic can work wonders. Okay, free traffic can work wonders with the whole entire adult niche, because, sex kind of sells, but, sex grabs attention. Does that make sense? So with content marketing, the most scientific marketing there is, because you're basically doing free marketing, trying to grab attention and, go viral or whatever, based off the niche and based off different stuff and keywords. Now, the thing is, you make a lot of content on YouTube specifically about offers like this, like showing the offers but blurring stuff. That can grab a lot of attention, guys. And anything adult related on YouTube, or any free traffic source, it grabs attention and gives you the ability to then, you have a lot of attention. Then you have the ability to sell and promote these offers like crazy. Okay, so if you want to build a full-time business, there's one more element you guys can add here. Is There it is. YouTube. Okay, so you could do YouTube, Pinterest, Twitter. You could even do Snapchat. You guys can even do Instagram. Okay, so all these ones added together, sending your traffic to this one opt-in page, you can build a full-time income, guys, with ease. With ease, you literally give a great free thing. You send people to the free thing after they've opted in, not here, but in email, okay? And inside the free thing, it's just a freaking landing page. You don't need to you do need to use ClickFunnels for this, actually. And you can click and I'm not all of a sudden just like, oh, you use it because I recommend it. I recommend it because I use it and I've tried all the other ones. ClickFunnels is the best, man, okay? I have whole done for you funnels where I literally show you the best funnels in the world. I follow after copywriters, top copywriters, and I formulated it into my own landing pages, bird pages, everything. So it's crazy. You can check that out down below. You can sign up for ClickFunnels through me. Let's keep the money in the Learning Machine family. You know what I'm saying? And okay, here's the thing though. Okay, you're giving a ton of free stuff in exchange for their email. And you don't necessarily say all the free stuff you're giving inside here. You over deliver on inside. Now, you don't need to make it yourself. You can make some of it yourself, okay, and build a great relationship with your list because it's you and they know it. But you can also basically embed a bunch of YouTube videos on the landing page, okay? You embed a bunch of YouTube videos on this landing page where you basically give them all the free stuff there, but you're also linking to a ton of offers here. And then you have an email sequence for specific offers that goes on for years if you want it to. For years, okay? And right here on the front end, this is going to make you some money back. If you're not profitable here, who cares, man? You're going to be profitable in general, right off the bat. Most marketers are never going to tell you this stuff. The strategy works, okay? Just like all the strategies I'm sharing with you guys, it's crazy. So you're going to get traffic from YouTube. Here's how you're going to do it. You're going to make content around adult-related offers or educational content teaching how to get girls and stuff like this. Like, know your demographic. Are you targeting females, okay, and teach them dating, or you're going to target males and teach them dating. And then you're going to have a lot of offers to choose from. I would recommend in this scenario, target males who want to learn dating stuff, okay? And because there's way more options of offers, okay, for that, okay? And then in the back end, you can get 100% commission on stuff if it's your own offers you create doing PLR products, okay? You can give PLR products also right here for free, like ebooks and stuff like this, and complete like PLR product courses, which are private label right stuff, okay? You own the rights to do it. And link is down in the description, actually, it comes to mind. This is the exact site I use to get PLR products. You can check it out down below. In my recommendations area down below in the description. You guys can get it. Okay, it's crazy. You get access to over 12,000 freaking PLR products for any niche ever. I use it so much, it's ridiculous. And, these products are really good. Some suck, some are freaking good, and they're there. They're there for you to use. Okay, it's crazy. If you do Twitter, just make content around your niche and put it on Twitter. Pinterest, do the same thing. Instagram, do the same thing. Focus on these two at first and then branch out as you grow. Just this alone, like I said, can make you a huge income. You don't need to have multiple opt-in funnels, guys. You only need really one and optimize it to the best of your ability. And if you want, all you got to do is keep it simple. Do headline, sub-headline, bullet list of what they're getting. The headline definitely should say free in it. Okay, don't put free in there. That's crazy. And then the opt-in, literally just do name and email, or just an email and then get your stuff now or something like that, or instantly get your stuff, and do that as the button. And then down below, have your legal disclaimers or whatever. You can even link to offers, legal disclaimers temporarily. It's super easy to do. Sometimes you don't even need to do it. Okay, it's just a thing everyone does. Monkey see, monkey do, right? And then after that, you link to your bridge page, and you can do a VSL of you talking about the offer, or you could find a YouTube video and embed it here. It's totally fine, guys, to embed it. I mean, YouTube wants you to do that, and the owner wants you to embed their freaking videos places, okay? So when you embed the video, if you want to do that, you can make it yourself. Like I said, you put the video here, and it basically pre-sells them on some offer that's high converting, like over here. You could promote right off the bat. You could promote a dating program, a digital product of your own. So you can earn 100% commission right here, guys. So you get the opt-in, then you have your own sales page, and then you have your own funnel with upsells and everything inside ClickFunnels. And you connect to Stripe, you collect easy payments, guys, you crush it. And then back end, you're given the free thing. This thing's promoting a ton of affiliate offers. I mean, everyone who gets the stuff, they're going to go to your landing page of a bunch of free stuff, and they're going to click on every single offer you're linking to. Okay, because you're like, I recommend this. They click on all of it, just not the smart link. Don't do the smart link, because who knows where they're going to end up. Link to all this stuff. I mean, a certain percentage will always buy, and the more you're sending them to, bro, you're set. Okay, so yeah, this is the whole strategy, man. This can make you huge income. Facebook ads, the biggest platform out there. It's interruption marketing. It's freaking fantastic. If you guys want even more crazy value, heck yeah, man, go check it out down below. And I cannot wait for the end of this month for you guys, because I literally have a method that is insane I'm going to be giving to you guys, but it's gone forever after the 3 days. Okay, so it's from the 1st to the 3rd. Huge opportunity for everybody. Okay, it's insane. Okay, so check that out on the 1st to the 3rd, and I know you can't wait. And peace out, learning machines.